In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly log into Telegram using your phone number. Whether you're new to Telegram or just need a little refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process, brick by brick, so you can access your account without a hitch. Let's get started at the very first point. Open Telegram and head over to the login page where you'll see an option to log in by phone number. This is where it all begins. While this step might seem straightforward, it's crucial to ensure that you enter your phone number correctly. Pay special attention to the country code. Make sure it's correct. For instance, if you're entering a number from the Philippines, your number should start with +63, followed by your phone number. Don't forget to double-check your number for any misplaced digits. It's important to use a phone number you have active access to, whether it's a real one or a virtual number. This ensures that you will be able to receive the verification code you need to complete the login process. Once you've punched in your number correctly, the next task is a bit of a waiting game. After submitting your phone number, Telegram will send a one-time password or OTP to that number. This is a standard security feature designed to protect your account. The thing to keep in mind here is that these OTPs can take a few minutes to arrive. Understandably, waiting can be a little frustrating, but there's no need to worry if it doesn't pop up instantly. Stay patient and refrain from hitting the resend button multiple times, as this can actually cause delays in delivering your OTP. Your best bet is to give it a little time. If, however, after waiting patiently the code still hasn't arrived, you can take the next step. Telegram provides an option to resend the code once you've given it a reasonable amount of time. You can easily find the resend code option on the login page itself. Clicking this will prompt Telegram to send another OTP to the phone number you provided, giving you another chance to successfully receive it and make your way into your account. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide on logging into Telegram using your phone number. By following these steps, you should be able to tackle the login process with confidence and ease. Don't forget, ensuring you have your phone handy and have input the correct number will be key to leveraging this convenient login method. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide helps you navigate your way through Telegram's login process smoothly. See you in our next instructional video.